Well guys, here we go. The idea tonight, it is late, I want to get a close-up of some very high current on this nail. This nail is 2.5mm thick, pushing 2 inches long, and we just want to see what happens when we subject it to high current. Now we've got it not on variac, so we're going to be pushing possibly 800 amps at about 10 volts. I think it's 10 volts. No, sorry, I think it come out to 6 volts on this. So I'm just going to find my safety gear. And I can't find it. Where's my glasses? That'll do. All good. Right. Watch your eyes, because there could actually potentially be some arc here. I'm well out of the way, so don't worry. This is where someone gets burnt. Whoa. Contact. Whoa. Damn. I hope that's still in focus. Yeah, it is. Great. Wow. You can probably hear the vibration, because the transformer's on the workbench, the same as the camera. I can feel it through these cables. There you go, molten metal. Shame that's not DC, isn't it? That would be nice, man. Wow. That looks beautiful, man. Look at that. Went slightly out of focus, guys, but yeah, you get the gist. I think we need to put something else on that. So we'll do this very, very quickly, because my cables are getting really hot. Oh god, it's actually welded itself. Yeah, welded itself to it, pretty much. I hate these bolts. Oh man, these bolts are horrible. Right, slightly thicker one now. This is going to be a very short video, guys, because the Canon cameras don't actually hold the video for very long, believe it or not. It's a bit stupid. Let's make sure I'm in focus. Yeah, there we go. It's alright. Cable's getting a bit flexible. This one's going to be a bit more interesting, because this one's actually anodised. It's quite a bit thicker, so there's going to be some interesting developments on this one. I can only do 2, guys, because these cables are burning my hand already. Jesus. Wow. That's actually blinding, man. Oh. Cables are red hot. I don't know how long I can hold this more. Sorry, how much longer I can hold this cable, guys. Come on. Let's get everything done with. Just burnt my jeans. Great. Oh no, the cable's burning my hand. No. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, that was it, guys. That's all I can. Oh, fuck me. Jesus Christ. Let's try and get in on that. That's as far as I can get in on it. But damn. That one was a 4mm bolt. Jesus. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty much all that's left of it, guys. So guys, I'm going to shoot off, because I need to get this video uploaded damn quick, because I want to carry on having a beer. No, I'm not drunk. So yeah, guys, I think next time we're going to be playing some quite high voltage. You're going to have to excuse the mess in here. I'm on manual focus, 'cause, as I said, this is a Canon camera. Yeah. A few turns on that. I was going to send a shout out, weren't I? Sorry dude, it didn't quite work, if I can find it. What I thought was magnesium when I was talking to Variac Maniac the other night on Facebook, it turns out it's not. It's very poor grade aluminium, and it's actually the housing off of one of these. Focusing on that. Manual focus, guys. There we go. In fact, yeah, here's the lamp. That's the actual lamp for it. There you go, there's a bit of focus for you. Yeah. So guys, yeah, it did actually go a bit wrong. I did try it, but nah, it's not worth the hassle, guys. So yeah, stay tuned. Variac Maniac, dude, here's your shout out. Cole Bishop, shout out. I1 Voltage 1 Rules, shout out. Of course, Photonic Induction, dude, we wish you the best, man. Let's hope you get everything sorted and back on YouTube very soon, man. See you soon, guys. Take care. Please don't kill yourselves.